Hey, a common question I get is people come to me and say, I used to be able to, crack my own back or crack my own neck, and now I can't. And that's most likely because your spine is starting to degenerate. Okay, the discs are wearing down and collapsing. The spinuses are starting to collapse together, and they're putting a lot of pressure on the nerves, and it's just not moving correctly. So when you come in here, we got to give you a nice spinal adjustment to keep things together and moving properly. And is it bad to crack your own neck? Well, it depends. If you're doing it in an improper direction, doing some weird things like this, jacking your head up. Everyone's seen the videos of the guy who tries to teach you how to crack your own neck, and some of those just look like horrific. It's because they are.